Vietnam logistics market size is big and still accelerating. Depending on definition and coverage, most recent industry estimates place total logistics revenues in the mid-tens of billions of US dollars, roughly the 30 to 60 B range in 2024-2025, with a forecast CAGR around 6 to 8% over the next 5 years. That usually includes freight forwarding, road transport, warehousing, express and parcel, and contract logistics. If you count in-house logistics costs across manufacturers and retailers, the implied market can look much larger. What's powering the size? Manufacturing FDI shifting supply chains into Vietnam, rapid e-commerce adoption, additional deep-sea capacity at Cai Mep Ty and Hai Phong, and ongoing customs and port digitization. The strongest pockets right now? Cold chain for food and pharma, last mile in Tier 2 cities, and modern multi-story warehouses around HCMC and Hanoi. Bottom line, it's already a multi-tens of billions market, professionalizing fast and on a steady mid to high single-digit growth path.